Yo, what's up? Isa ka bang Filipino civil engineer na nagpaplano magtrabaho abroad? Well, kung ganun, ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Here are the 5 best countries for Filipino civil engineers as of 2025. Number 1, Qatar. It's because of their growing infrastructure projects. Meron din silang tax-free salary, at the same time safe and stable ang country na to. Salary range, 100 to 280,000 pesos per month. Number 2, Saudi Arabia. This is one of the top destination countries for civil engineers because of their massive construction projects. They also have a very high demand for civil engineers at meron din silang tax-free salary. Napakaraming Pinoy sa bansang to. Salary range, 100,000 to 300,000 pesos per month. Number 3, United Arab Emirates. Kasama na dito ang Abu Dhabi at Dubai. It's because of their booming construction industry. Alam naman natin lahat na napakaraming buildings ang tinatayo sa bansang to. They also have a tax-free salary and at the same time meron ka ring modern lifestyle and work-life balance sa bansang to. Salary range, 120,000 to 350,000 pesos per month. Number 4, Canada. Kung gusto mo naman ng long-term opportunities or a chance of permanent residency, well, Canada is the best choice. They also have a very high demand for civil engineers and yun nga meron kang pathway for PR and citizenship. And lastly, napakaganda rin ng benefits nila pagdating sa family, healthcare, and education. Salary range, 200 to 500,000 pesos per month. And last but not the least, kung gusto mo naman ng malapit-lapit sa Pilipinas, number 5, Australia. Napakarami din nilang road, railway, and housing projects. At sobrang binabalyo ang mga civil engineers sa bansang to. Kasama mo na dyan ang high salary and great work-life balance, permanent residency options, and strong economy and career growth. Salary range, 250 to 600,000 pesos per month. Yun lang, I hope sana nakatulong sa itong video na to. Kung meron ka pang questions, just comment down below at itatry natin yung gawa ng video. Alright, see you next video engineers. God bless.